What's up guys, hari ini aku bakal nonton Zack Films. Gua bakal ngeliat yang paling populer, terus let's go.
When you get stitches, a doctor threads a needle through your wound and pulls it tight to close the skin. As the stitches hold the edge...
Aku nggak pernah punya kayak lubang gitu. Aku pernah sih kayak kecelakaan, tapi nggak harus kayak giniin.
Together, the wound becomes inflamed as new cells begin to repair the tissue. Afterwards, connective tissues and collagens start to create skin. Then, blood vessels form to nourish these developing tissues, filling in the area. And over a few weeks, the wound will have healed together and the stitches are removed.
Tapi itu kayak lama banget. Coba lihat komentar. Shout out to the immune system for making the recovery possible. Iya sih, kayak kita kayak tubuh kita sendiri bisa bantuin kita tubuhnya kita.
If you get a splinter, most people just go ahead and pull them out. But sometimes they get lodged so deep into your skin that you can't reach them. If the area gets infected, it will start to swell as pus forms under the skin.
Bayangin punya kayak lidi dimasukin ke tangan kamu, itu pasti sakit banget.
This creates pressure around the splinter that can sometimes push it upwards towards the skin's surface. And if you're lucky, after a certain period of time, your body could have completely removed it from your skin. This recent game... Have you ever noticed how odd the McFlurry spoon is? Well, some people think it's supposed to work like a straw, but you only have to try that once to realize it does not work. The true reason for these weird spoons is actually pretty genius. You see, McDonald's didn't want to clean their beaters after every McFlurry, so instead, they designed a spoon that would also work as the mixer. Have you ever noticed? If you shot a bullet at ancient armor, some people think it could actually stop the impact. But armor like chainmail was designed to block slashing swords. And plate armor was even better at deflecting strikes by spreading the blunt force across more area, lessening its impact. But these materials...
Aku nggak tahu sih itu armor bagus.
Weren't very good at...
Mereka terbuat dari apa nih ya? Iron, tapi kayak gimana itu, banyak pasti soalnya itu kayak banyak.
Stopping arrows, which had enough energy to enter the armor, so a bullet would have no trouble going right through.
Ini apa?
If you somehow removed all of the blood vessels...
Ini bukan teori, emangnya lo bisa kayak gini? Kayak lo cuman mikir diri lo sendiri. Ini cuman pikiran lo sendiri. Orang nggak mau ini.
In your body and tied them together. You might think it would be about this long, but the human body has thousands of these tiny vessels that weave in and out of every body part. And with all of them combined, if you started in New York, your blood vessels would make it all the way to the Grand Canyon. It would go...
Kaget banget loh, kita punya banyak darah tapi kita cuman sekecil ini.
On to reach all the way across the Pacific Ocean, over Japan, Asia, and all of Europe. And not only would it make it all the way back to your starting point, but it would be able to make this trip 2 to 4 times over. When a doctor gives you a shot, they can sometimes...
Aku pernah sih nangis gara-gara suntikan. Soalnya aku nggak siap. Jadi nangis aku.
accidentally push the needle all the way through your vein, which ends up puncturing both sides. Once the needle is removed, it leaves 2 holes in the vein. And before the body can thicken the blood and seal these holes, it bleeds into the surrounding tissues. This leaked blood forms a dark, tender area.
Irwan, ada orang yang kecil itu jangan percaya orang lain. Mereka bilang, oh, Ituan suntik itu nggak sakit, cuman kayak semut. Bukan, itu bukan kayak gitu. Dari pas kayak semutnya pasti kayak semut, tapi semutnya merah, kayak semut merah.
Under the skin, creating bruises and splotchy areas. When a doc, have you ever wondered how this trick is done? It's one of those things where you know he can't actually be making the salt disappear, but it's still confusing to look at. Well, it turns out that the simplest explanation is the right one. Look closely at his hand during this shot. Do you notice how he sort of grabs his thumb here? Well, this is because he's using a prop called a Dofi finger. He holds it in his fist like a cup, fills it up with the salt, gets it onto his other thumb, and then grabs it off his thumb back into the first position. Watch it again and see if you can notice. Have you ever... If you lose one of your adult teeth, the bone where the tooth...
Ituan, gigi aku kayaknya udah nggak ada yang bayi, udah gede. Tapi aku cuman umur 10. Itu bagus gak buat giginya udah jadi gede? Bagus gak?
Once was can start to deteriorate. To prevent further damage, a dentist will fill the cavity with a synthetic material that mimics real bone. Once filled, a metal bracket is secured on top and the incision is closed. After the graft has healed, a large implant post is inserted into the new bone. Then a small metal piece is screwed in and a porcelain tooth is secured on top. If you accidentally touched a table saw, you'd probably think your fingers
Kalian kayak ituan takut kepotong sesuatu gak di tangan elu? Aku takut sih, soalnya nanti gua malah nggak bisa ngehitung.
be cut off. But this isn't always the case. You see, some modern high-end saws actually know the difference between wood and your skin. Once your finger comes in contact with these special saws, it immediately detects the electrical conductivity from your skin. This triggers an immediate mechanical response that stops the blade in less than 5 milliseconds. When a honeybee stings a human, they actually get stuck for a while and can't leave. And this is because
aku pernah ngeliat kayak gini, kayak lebah, kayak ngesting tangan terus nggak bisa ngelepas. Jadi mereka langsung mati.
Stinger is barbed, which means it can't retract once it's lodged into something. But once the bee finally pulls away, its insides get ripped out because the stinger stays in the skin. This leaves the bee without some of its internal organs, resulting in its death.
Well, goodbye guys. Ini video yang bagus. Kita reaksi pertama aku, ya goodbye.